Could what we eat possibly influence autism symptoms? It's an intriguing question. The relationship between diet and autism is a fascinating field of study, sparking curiosity and hope in equal measure. It's essential to note, diet isn't a cure for autism. However, certain dietary choices might help manage symptoms, potentially improving the quality of life for those on the spectrum. This topic is a subject of ongoing research, as scientists strive to unravel the complexities of autism and how our daily meals might impact it. Let's dive into the latest research to understand this connection better. Experts in the field have been studying the potential links between diet and autism. A fascinating area of research focuses on the gut microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system. It has emerged as a key player in influencing neurological diseases, including autism. The microbiome communicates with the central nervous system, affecting neuroinflammation, neurotransmitter levels, and the blood-brain barrier, all of which can influence the symptoms of autism. Another nutrient under the spotlight is choline, a key nutrient that influences brain development and function. It's transported to neurons by a special protein, allowing the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that facilitates habituation, or the brain's ability to tune out repeated sensory stimuli. This process is often impaired in individuals with autism, resulting in hypersensitivity to sensory stimuli. The impact of dietary changes on autism symptoms is also being explored. Some parents and doctors have found specific diets, such as gluten-free or casein-free diets, helpful in managing autism symptoms. These diets exclude certain proteins found in wheat and dairy products, respectively, which some individuals with autism might have difficulty processing. But it's important to note that results vary widely. What works for one person might not work for another. And while these diets can help manage symptoms, they're not a cure for autism. They're just one part of a comprehensive treatment plan that also includes behavioral therapy, educational interventions, and, in some cases, medication. So, while the research is promising, it's clear that more work needs to be done to fully understand this complex relationship. Given these findings, it seems diet could indeed play a role in managing autism symptoms. We've seen how research points to the potential of specific diets in alleviating certain symptoms. For instance, the keto diet, gluten-free diet, or casein-free diet have all shown promise. But remember, it's all about individualized approaches. What works for one child may not necessarily work for another. Professional guidance is key here. A dietitian or a healthcare professional can help tailor a dietary plan that meets the nutritional needs of your child while considering their preferences and any potential food sensitivities. It's also worth noting that dietary changes are just one part of the puzzle. They could potentially work hand in hand with other therapies, such as behavioral therapy or speech therapy, to help autistic children lead a more fulfilling life. And let's not forget the potential role of the gut microbiome in neurological disorders. The idea that a balanced gut could contribute to improved symptoms is a promising field of research. While we continue to learn more about the relationship between diet and autism, it's clear that a healthy diet can contribute to overall well-being and quality of life. And that's food for thought.